How to fix voice chat not working in Rainbow Six Siege. So what you need to do is head over to the Windows search bar and type in My Games. From here you're gonna see Rainbow Six Siege. Just open up this random string of numbers and then open up game settings. Now I'm gonna close this up so you don't die from the light. And now go down until you see, here it is, audio. And then make sure that you delete audio output device. You just delete the string that's already here. You delete this. And there you go. There's a bunch of other options here if you want to mess around with it. So let's just hit Control S to save it and then close it. And your voice chat should be working now in Rainbow Six Siege. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.